welcome back. It's early in the morning. I haven't had an appetite and I've been like having a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, and that is not a meal, so I'm trying to make a better effort to eat better during the day. So I'm gonna try this smoothie. Okay, so 2 bananas, and then I'm just going to do two shots are about 4 ounces, I'd say, because I think it's like 2 ounces each, and that's like how much cold brew I would use. This is what I made the other day. And then I'm gonna do like a cup of oat milk and a couple tablespoons of peanut butter. It's not my favorite flavor, but I'm gonna give it a try in this. I do not have like organic nut butter by any means, because I don't really have it often. My husband does, and he likes good old Jif. All right, so I'm gonna blend this up and see how it turns out, see if I like it. I miss Daddy too. The way the camera is positioned, I can't even get it to where it needs to be, but I'll just show you what it looks like when I pour it in the glass. All right, this is all blended up really nicely. So this made exactly 2 cups. I can't even taste the coffee. All I taste is peanut butter and banana. Actually, all I taste is peanut butter. My husband would really like this, but he hates cold coffee. This is really good. So I'm gonna try to start my day with something more filling like this, and I'll just share one every time as I go, or a dessert, or juice. For the sauce, I just need a teaspoon of red pepper paste and red chili flakes, a teaspoon of chicken bouillon, this one in particular, half a teaspoon of mushroom seasoning. You can find this at the Asian market. Half a teaspoon of onion powder, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons of gluten-free soy sauce. And that's it. This is our Shin Ramen noodle sauce flavoring. This tastes exactly like it. So once I put everything together, I will show you how I prepare my ramen. Okay, I just want to go over the products again. This is the chicken bouillon powder. My dad just happened to give this to me, and I tried it, and it has like that ramen soup flavor. It's basically just salt, MSG, chicken, sugar, and spices. So there's no soy sauce in it or anything, so it is gluten-free safe. And then this red chili paste, it's getting harder and harder for me to find gluten-free, but I basically just go through the ingredient list. Usually when I get this, or when I'm trying to find it, Most of them will say they have wheat. I have no idea why, but this one did not say it. I use it all the time. And then the red chili flakes are just chili flakes and salt. So these do have salt added to it. So I just want to reiterate those things about some of the ingredients that I'm using. For the noodles, these I found at Costco, and it's 12 bricks, just kind of like this, that come in the pack. For one serving, I do make two of them, and it's just like a brown rice blend, brown rice and millet blend. These are amazing. Even though it's been really hot out, I could eat ramen every day. That's the sound that the eggs make once they're cooked in this little egg cooker. Ooh, ouch. The steam just burned my hand. So these make eggs to perfection based on whatever style you like them. My eggs are now cooling. I did put ice and water to let them cool down. And I'm going to take my ramen bricks, now that this is coming up to a boil, and just adding them in. These are going to cook for exactly 4 minutes, so I'm going to set a timer and I'm going to start my hot water kettle. Once they start softening up, I like to take chopsticks and just kind of moving them around. And I do cook these separately because a lot of gluten-free products, you know, they're made out of rice and things that are really starchy. So the water's gonna be really thick, and I don't necessarily want that. You know, I want it to be like a traditional broth and soup. And so I will cook this separate, drain it. My hot water kettle will have super hot water, and I will assemble everything together just right in my bowl. And it is as close to the real thing that I have ever gotten to. Do you see how starchy the water has gotten? I mean, you can't even see the noodles in there. Okay, I'm just building my bowl. I found some kimchi. Should still be good. I'm just gonna finish what I had in this jar. I've been taking my green onions and freezing them, so I'm just gonna put them right there with the noodles, because then when I pour the hot broth over, I add this to a mug because then I just pour it kind of like I'm making a tea. Stir everything together. I really wish I had some bacon. I really like the combination of corn and bacon, or like pork belly. Bacon's just like a fast way of having that. It's cooked almost perfect. All right, and here we have my gluten-free version of Shin Ramen, like the ramen packet. It tastes very similar to it. I was so surprised when I put it together, and I always have this, I just haven't filmed it yet. Typically I'll have like some bacon with it because it's like my pork belly substitute, and it's just like a quick ramen to have. And it's totally gluten-free. So I hope you give this a try and enjoy it. Please give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for checking out another video here. Have a great day. Bye. I knew food sounds can be a little weird for some people, but I don't know how you're gonna know that I like this or not. So I have to try it. I just love ramen noodles. So this is really good. This kimchi is like super sour. In other words, it was ready to be eaten. At some point, I'm going to show you another version of the Shin Ramen that I've seen made. But I'll make it in another video. And I just want to recap my day. I made a smoothie this morning. I feel really proud about that because usually I just have a coffee and that is totally not a meal. So I'm trying to do a little better with that. I also sometimes skip lunch, but this time I had chopped up lettuce beforehand and I purposely bought carrots that were already chopped up. So I had a salad. Yeah, I don't show what I eat all day because it's like really simple stuff. But at least once a day I am trying a new recipe. All right, I'm gonna finish my dinner. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.